Alright, so this is the number 18. Suppose that the production of DVDs generates sulfur dioxide, an air pollutant, then the equilibrium market quantity of DVDs produced and consumed. And here's the deal. Conveniently, my graph for 14 is just as useful as it is for 18. Because this is a negative externality, this is pollution, right? And so what we see is that the equilibrium quantity, where quantity, like this is supply, which equals marginal cost, and downward sloping demand, which equals marginal social benefit. But what we don't factor in is marginal social cost, right, which would shift supply to the left. There's no shift because they're just showing you two different costs, right? Like one is the cost of everything with the marginal social cost included. And so the equilibrium point is here, but the socially optimal point is there. So the idea is that the amount of quantity of DVDs produced and consumed is more than the social optimal quantity, right? Because equilibrium is more than quantity optimal due to the negative externality. And this is a negative externality. It is decidedly not a positive externality, making B wrong, making D wrong. And there's most definitely an externality. Now, A is less than the socially optimal quantity due to the negative externality, but that would have to mean that the equilibrium was over here to the left, which it is not. It is more. Thus, the answer is E.